Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So, today we're looking at Bitto. So, it's a Bitcoin mining company. All right. And Bitcoin's been doing really good. So, it's been going up. We expect Bitcoin to keep going up. So, I expect this stock to do well. And I was looking at the options. So, typically you get $1 for 50 in options. And we're about double that for the month. So, this is about a month out. I want to sell one option for $1.17 or so, and I want to sell one here at a little under. So let's see what we can get. Let's get real greedy. All right, and see what we can do. All right, you can already see I have 400 shares. I don't mind adding to that position. You can see I have plenty of buying power. So let's take a look. Okay, I had to come down a little. Finally filled at 215. I'm okay with that. Let's look at the position. So be sure you guys subscribe to my channel and join for real-time stock trades and options trades, as well as Bitcoin and a lot of other wealth opportunities. All right, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.